I look at the world through the lens of the power of natural beauty, the strength of softness, the unity of all life forms. I am attracted to the femaleness of Mother Nature and to the natural sensuality of the female body. I feel and see the anima soul of the objects of my desire, be it a tree or a rock, be it the vast ocean and the deep forest, the wild animals, the birds, the sensual humans. I see the intrinsic energy in them, and it's their inner beauty that resonates with my own energy and my own wild self. I observe and create from the free child in myself, from the wild woman, man in me, the undomesticated animal that senses the world in its original beauty and unity. I see the details in the wholeness, the living forms beyond the surfaces, the femaleness of a certain tree, the deep, dark and wild essence of the sea. I fall in love with the natural objects that wake up my own wild nature. I make love with the spirit of the woods and the sea. The sandstones I walk on come alive as sensual, powerful bodies, as animals, as monsters, as infinite living creatures. The animals take human shape and spirit, and the female body turns into elements in nature, becoming sandstones or rocks, turning into water or wood or fire. Birds and fish become mystical spirits carrying hidden messages to us from the very depth of the sea and the vast, vast deep sky. These are messages of the unity of all life on earth and bring me the sensual love and original soulfulness of us all humans. That's the place of my creation.